right, third graders, time to do our counting videos. We practiced this a lot. We're going to still continue to practice. What we're going to start with is counting by twos. We're going to go from 2 to 50. Remember, I need you to count out loud as you read this, as you do this. This will be very helpful for you. Please do this. Count along with me. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Remember, these are the even numbers. Let's count backwards now. 50, 48, 46, 44, 42, 40, 38, 36, 34, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Nice job. Those are the even numbers. What do we call the numbers that are not even? The ones in blue up here? Do you remember? They are odd numbers. We just did even numbers, which is counting by 2. All right, let's move on. We're going to count by threes. Do you remember our threes song? You guys ready? Sing it with me. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. We count by threes. Can we go backwards? 36, 33, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Backwards by threes. All right, if we're looking at our threes, let's review our times tails. Say them with me. The 6th grade class raised butterflies. At 1 o'clock, they set 8 butterflies free. So 6 times 3 is 18. Mrs. Week went butterfly hunting. She caught 20 in her net and 1 landed on her head. 7 times 3 is 21. After the warm weather melted Mrs. Snowman, do you remember what happens? 2 butterflies took her arms and 4 flew away with her apron. So 8 times 3 is 24. The butterfly flew past the treehouse and discovered a treasure of 27 cents. 9 times 3 is 27. Let's move on and we'll go to our fours. We're going to count by fours. Count with me. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Let's review over here the fours. The 6th grade class played musical chairs for 24 hours. Mrs. Week sat on a chair and fished. She caught 2 boots and 8 trout, which means 7 times 4 is 28. Mrs. Snowman stood on a chair to reach her 3 buttons and 2 mittens. 8 times 4 is 32. A chair got stuck in the treehouse after someone tied on 3 kites and 6 balloons. So 9 times 4 is 36. Good. Let's count by fives. Remember, on the hundreds chart, it's pretty simple to find because it either ends in a 5 or 0. So let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Nice job. Let's go to our sixes. We're going to sing our sixth song. Do you remember what the tune is? Joy to the World. Here we go. Let's count by 6 to 72. There's 6 and 12, 18. There's 24 and 30 and 36 and 42 and 48 comes next. Then 54 comes next. then 60 and 66 and 72. Whew, remember that, huh? All right, 6 times 6. What's the story for that? 2 6th grades played soccer and the score was 3-6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Let's look here. 7 times 6. Mrs. Weeks' 6th grade class has 42 students. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 and 6 here. Mrs. Snowman visited the 6th grade class to show them her 4 birds and an 8-legged spider. 8 times 6 is 48. The 6th grade class went to the tree house to feed 5 pounds of bananas to 4 monkeys. 9 times 6 is 54. Nice. Let's go to our 7s. Do you remember the 7 song? Let's do it. You ready? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Sing it again. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. So we need to look over here, and you know what? I didn't put up 7 times 7. We should do that because we don't want Mr. and Mrs. Week to be left out, do we? So Mr. and Mrs. Week have 4 dogs and 9 cats. So 7 times 7 is 49. Mrs. Snowman and Mrs. Week went driving together, and they went 1 mile an hour over the speed limit. So 8 times 7 is 56. So here we have Mrs. Week going to the treehouse, right? Mrs. Week went to the treehouse and raked up 6 bags of leaves by 3 o'clock, didn't she? Yep. And so those are our 7. So now let's go to 8, and we'll sing our 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80, then 88, 96. Those are the 8s. So let's go here. Now we've already got our 8s here and our 8 here, so let's go here. Mr. and Mrs. Snowman, what do they have to do? They must eat 6 snow cones 4 times a day. 8 times 8 is 64. Here's 9 times 8. Mrs. Snowman went to the tree house and knocked 7 times on 2 doors. 9 times 8 is 72. Let's count by 9s. This goes this direction, doesn't it? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Okay, we've already talked about our 9s along here. 9 times 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 9 times 9, 2 tree houses. So the story is there were 2 tree houses. The first one grew 8 apples, and the second grew only 1. So 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, let's count by 10s. Pretty easy, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's keep going. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. You can go from there, right? So now 11s, do you remember how to do that? With 11s, we are just adding the number like this. So we have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, and then we have 110 after that. When we're counting by 12, let's count by 12. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and 132, 144, and we're done. Counting by 12s is lots of fun. I don't know if I've taught that to you. Now you know it. Now, what if we have coins? What if we need to count by quarters? Can you count by quarters with me? Let's just say the numbers. So we have 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, 275, 300. Let's keep going. 400, 325, 350, 375, 400, 425, 450, 475, 500. I hope you kept up with that. I hope you did. And that is our review for now. Great job.